Okay, so here you have the testes model. Of course, the sac that it's sitting within, of course, is the scrotum. You've got compartments called lobules, and this pink silly string looking structure in the lobules, that's called your seminiferous tubules, which is the site of sperm production. This whole structure here is your epididymis, and that is where sperm are stored until they're mature, which means development of their little flagella or tail that allows them to swim. Then we move over to the male reproductive model here. Of course, we can see here the testes, epididymis, and the scrotal sac. Of course, here you've got penis, glans penis, which you guys would probably generically refer to as the head of the penis. And then you've got this structure here that comes from the testes all the way up and over the bladder and comes out around the back of the bladder. If I pin this and I ask for the structure as a whole, we're looking for spermatic cord. If I pin this and say, what is the name of the structure within this structure that transports sperm, we're looking for vas deferens or ductus deferens. You can use either name. Of course, male bladder is here. This would be the seminal vesicle, and then this is your prostate gland, rectum, anus. So I'm going to pull this part off. Try to do this with one hand. All right, so now we can see, of course, our bladder, which is right here, drained by the urethra here, and the part that drains from the bladder floor to the bottom of the prostate gland. So here's our prostate gland. From here to here, prostatic urethra. This little tube coming off the back of the urethra, that's your ejaculatory duct, which receives secretions from the seminal vesicle and the sperm from the vas deferens. These two little glands here and here, those are called bulbal urethral glands or Cowper's glands. From the floor of the prostate to where you see the corpus cavernosum, this muscle here starts. So from here to here, you've got the membranous urethra. And then as soon as we're in line with the corpus cavernosum, this is, of course, your penile urethra. Muscle on either side of the urethra, so this muscle here or here, the little red muscle on either side of the urethra, corpus spongiosum. And then this muscle here that you see in gray along the front has little tiny, you can see there, little tiny sinuses. This is called the corpus cavernosum, and that's the muscle that engorges with blood to maintain erection. So that's your male reproductive system.